In this video, we discuss creating and signing into your AgFiniti account, adding an AgFiniti Essentials license, connecting your Ag Leader displays to AgFiniti, and highlighting the tools and features that you gain with an AgFiniti Essentials license. All AgFiniti users must have their own account. For SMS software users, your AgFiniti credentials are the same as you use to register your software. All other users will visit agfiniti.com and click Create Account. When building a new account, you will need to enter all required information, such as name, address, contact information, and create a username. The email address that you entered must be unique and not already linked to an existing AgFiniti account. When creating your account, you will also select your servicing dealer. Choose a servicing dealer in a 100, 300, or 600-mile radius from your location. This enables your dealer to better assist you by creating a primary contact for sales and support. No files or data are shared with your servicing dealer. If you already created an account but don't remember your username or password, just click on the Forgot Password link and you'll receive an email with a link to reset. After submitting your registration information, you will receive an email to access your account for the first time. The first time you log in, you will need to confirm your selected username, create a password, and accept the terms of use. Once logged in, there are several tools available in your free AgFiniti account. If you have an in-command 1200 or in-command 800, you can transfer up to 5 gigabytes of Ag data or Ag setup files from your displays to your AgFiniti account, eliminating the need to transfer data using a USB drive. To connect your Ag Leader in-command display to AgFiniti, you first need to be connected to a wireless internet source and complete the instructions in the initial email. Then, on the home screen, tap the menu in the top right corner and select Data Transfer. At the bottom, tap Login. Enter your login information and tap the green check. When you connect your display to an AgFiniti account, you also gain automatic firmware updates to ensure you are on the most current version of display firmware. Satellite imagery will also be available as an additional reference layer on the run screen. If you'd like to use AgFiniti to process, view, and analyze your data, you will need an AgFiniti Essentials license. To activate a free trial or purchase an AgFiniti Essentials license, go to the User menu and select Licenses. On the left, you can click Start Free Essentials Trial to begin your free trial. The free Essentials trial will provide you full access to the tools and features within AgFiniti. After the trial, you can purchase a license by selecting Buy. Then, next to AgFiniti Essentials, select Add License and Check Out at the bottom. In the checkout summary, be sure to select your servicing dealer and then enter your payment information. To complete, select Buy Now, and AgFiniti Essentials will be automatically applied to your account. With an Essentials license applied to your account, you can sync your data with the AgFiniti mobile app for iPad and create variable rate legend-based prescriptions for no additional cost. These features keep you informed and connected to your operation anywhere at any time. To learn more about these features and how to use them in your operation, watch the playlist linked above or review the Ag Leader Knowledgebase articles linked in the video description below. The Essential license also adds features to your displays when you're connected to your AgFiniti account, including DisplayCast, viewing live maps and stats, remote support, and more. Learn more in the playlist above and the articles linked in the description. You can now create and sign in to your AgFiniti account, add an AgFiniti Essentials license, connect your Ag Leader displays to AgFiniti, and have discovered the tools and features gained with an Essentials license. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.